This is a way to get your backing vocals to hug your lead vocals and get them sounding super smooth. It's called the BV Blender. So using the FabFilter Pro Q3, I've got two settings on my backing vocals. They are side-chained to the lead vocal. The first setting is a shelf at around 7K. It's only in the sides and it's a dynamic EQ. And then I have one that's only in the mids, and that is around 1.5K, and that's also dynamic. They're both side-chained to the lead vocal. So when the lead vocal kicks in, they'll both activate the dynamics on the EQ, meaning that the sides will go brighter for the backing vocal, and it'll also dip the mids to let the main vocal come through. Check this out. Turn your phone to the side so you can hear the effect properly. If you want this preset, I've just added it to my FabFilter Pro Q3 preset pack. So check this out.
You didn't stand by me. Oh, you didn't stand by me. And now it matters not to me. You didn't stand by me. You didn't stand by me. Oh, you didn't stand by me. And now it matters not to me. You didn't stand by me.